You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this Italian mezzo-soprano opera singer. For more names from music, make sure to stay tuned. So let's go through the Italian pronunciation first. Cecilia, not Cecilia, okay, Cecilia. C is pronounced like CH in Italian, at least in front of a vowel. Cecilia Bartoli, Cecilia Bartoli. So that's your Italian pronunciation. If you want to pronounce it in English, you can say Cecilia Bartoli. Some pronounce it also as Cecilia Bartoli, of course, but Cecilia is more correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.